Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I am bringing another Kaku BJJ breakdown video. This one is featuring a competition that I did over Memorial Day weekend, which was the California Jiu-Jitsu World League Open. I just want to start off by apologizing that I haven't released a video in a couple months. I've been really focused on training and work and other things, but I'm going to be bringing these videos back. And this is the first match of a 5-man bracket at the Masters weight class. I finally hit 30 years old and 141, so light feather Masters first match. So without further ado, let's get into the breakdown. So here we are, we're starting, we're gonna shake hands with the ref, going to shake hands with each other. Actually, no, yep, there it is, slap bump, and then we go. He's immediately going to close the distance and pull guard, and he's setting up a De La Hiva, but I have his leg trapped. Now I'm trying to break the De La Hiva grip and also keep a grip on the collar, and I want to stay on my toes so he's not able to invert or, you know, go under me or get me in any type of sweeping position here. So I'm staying active on my toes, and I apologize that the referee is in the way. Here I grab a hand on the collar, and he's keeping his foot on my hip, and I'm able to clear that and start getting into a knee cutting position. I'm pulling his right arm up. I'm trying to get the underhook, but he's doing a good job of hiding it. You're not really able to see it from this angle, but I'm able to pull that off, and I'm back up passing, and I'm being very, very aggressive here. I see an opening for an over under, so I'm trying to work that over under, trying to bury my head and clear that leg. Here we're going to have the referee stop us, and I'm going to disengage my grips, but then I realize that he just wants to pull us to the center. So good job on the ref for doing that. So here we are starting back in the center. We are going to acknowledge each other and then start going again. Here I'm able to stand up and I start passing. I'm trying to clear that leg line. I'm trying to clear it, but he's able to get me into a half guard. Now, actually, passing half guard is one of my favorite positions here. So I'm trying to get my arm around the head. I'm getting into a smashed half guard position. What I want to do here is clear my right leg to step over. So I grab his pants, trying to push him down, but he's very good at staying on his side here, and he's able to recenter. So here I decide to stand up, and I hit a beautiful X pass here, and I start getting to his back. He's going to roll. I'm going to roll with him and make sure that I come up on top, and here I'm going to smash his legs together and really put the pressure on his upper half here. I haven't scored any points yet because I haven't passed the guard, but I'm in a very dominant position here to in fact pass the guard. So here I'm just putting a lot of pressure on his upper half. I want him to feel my weight and get tired. I'm almost in a leg drag position, but his left hand is doing a good job of gripping my pants, which is preventing me from taking my right leg around and passing the guard. So what I decide to do here is keep the pressure heavy, and I take my left leg, and as you see here, I hook his foot, hook his left leg, and I'm able to pin it and pass the guard. So here I get into a side control position here, and the referee is going to give me my points for passing the guard. And right now I'm doing like a body lock position right here because I don't want him to move. I want him to stay pretty stagnant. He's going to try to get to his side. He almost gets me here, almost flips me, but I'm able to keep my hands together, and the ref brings us back to the center of the mat. So here we are, we're going to reset in the center. I'm going to get back into side control. The ref is going to line us up here. I'm going to get back into my position with my arm over his leg, and he's going to let us go. So what I'm doing here is I'm pinning his legs, shelving his legs, and what I do is I take my right leg and I try to hook his legs successfully, and what I want to do is climb up the body. So what I want to do here is pin his legs and climb up the body to the mount position, but he's able to free his left leg and stop me from getting to the full mount. So now we're still basically in like a half guard position here. I'm trying to keep the pressure heavy, but he's able to get his feet under me and get his butterfly hooks. So here what I'm trying to do is stay heavy on my toes, keep my arms on his legs to keep his basically his feet down. I'm able to step over, get into my knee cutting position. Here I'm going to be running around the guard, passing the guard right here. I break that grip and I hop over to the other side to get my passing points once again. So here I'm in a side control position. I'm going to gable grip, my arms here, and I'm just going to put the pressure. He's got a nice frame on my neck, but I'm able to hold and keep the pressure heavy. I want to tire him out. I don't know how much time is left on the match, but I'm trying to I tried to step over to mount here, but I get caught with it that leg, and I end up losing the side control position. But all I do is I end up getting back to my passing position here. I hit another X pass to a knee on belly to get my passing points and the knee on belly points. And what I'm trying to do here is keep the pressure heavy with my knee, get nice and low, break that grip on the arm, and get into a side control position. And I'm able to successfully get into side control. He gets to his side here, but I'm able to keep the pressure heavy, and I get to his back. He tries to roll, and I'm able to follow him and stop him from doing that. Here he gives up his back in a turtle position, and I sink in my first hook, and I hook that hook very, very deep there. And what I'm trying to do is get my seatbelt grip here. I'm trying to work. He's doing a very good job of defending, but I'm able to get my second hook in, and I've now successfully taken the back. What I'm looking at here, instead of pressing my ear to his head, is I was trying to look at the score and the time. So I realized that I have there's not a lot of time left. So what I'm trying to do here is basically get my grips and try to go for a choke. As you can see here, he's doing a very good job of defending, but I'm able to keep the back, and I'm trying to basically get the choke here. I'm able to kind of flatten him out, but he's doing a very good job of defending, and I'm not able to get the grips for the choke, and the time runs out. That is the end of the match. I believe if you see the score there, it was 15-0. This was the first time I've competed against this guy. He's very, very good. I definitely enjoyed it, and I was able to secure the win with the final position being taking the back. But I was able to basically demonstrate some of my passing. Passing is what I really, truly love. And I was able to do that because this guy pulled guard. So I wasn't able to play any of my guard game, but I'm completely okay with that. So here the ref is just going to, after I fix my belt, he's going to raise my hand saying that I won the first match. And that is pretty much the end of the video. So ladies and gentlemen, I thank you guys for watching and letting me break down this video. Again, I apologize for not producing a video in a timely manner. I know it's been like 2 or 3 months since my last one, but I've been working hard in the gym, and I want to bring some of the videos of me competing to the channel. So next week we will have the video of the finals match from the same competition, and it's going to be a doozy. It's going to be actually pretty interesting. I make a few mistakes that I want to point out, and thank you guys for watching, and we will catch you on the next one. Peace.